Hey guys, let's see how I go from this to this using the Breeze Airbrush System, starting with Rose 4-in-1 Foundation. This foundation acts as your primer, concealer, foundation, and anti-aging serum. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Click and Play Trio Sand. Now to open up my eyes a little bit more, Persuasion Eyeliner. Now using the Cut 1 palette to add some shape and dimension to my face. Don't forget to blend, blend, blend for that natural look. To add length and volume to my lashes, I'm using Distraction Mascara. Now applying some captive lip liner in Dusty Rose. This lip liner is one of my staples because it matches with everything. Now applying some Vinyl Slick liquid lipstick in Merengue. And of course, finishing my routine with Final Seal setting spray to keep my makeup fresh for up to 18 hours.